When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, the city of Faridabad offers a wide range of options. There are several dealers in the city that specialize in providing survey instrument accessories to meet the needs of professionals in various industries. One such dealer is Scon Design, a well-known name in the surveying industry. Scon Design has established itself as a reliable and trusted supplier of survey instrument accessories in Faridabad city. Scon Design offers a comprehensive range of survey instrument accessories to cater to the diverse requirements of its customers. Whether it is tripods, leveling rods, prism poles, DGPSantenna mounts, or any other accessory, Scon Design has it all. The company understands the importance of high-quality accessories in ensuring accurate and precise measurements during surveys. Therefore, they source their products from reputed manufacturers who adhere to stringent quality standards. The success of Scon Design can be attributed to its commitment to customer satisfaction. The company believes in providing personalized service to each of its customers. They understand that every project has unique requirements, and they strive to meet those requirements by offering customized solutions. The team at Scon Design is knowledgeable and experienced in the field of surveying instruments and accessories. They are always ready to assist customers in making the right choice and provide guidance on the selection of the most suitable accessories for their specific needs. In addition to offering a wide range of survey instrument accessories, Scon Design also ensures timely delivery of products. They understand that time is of the essence in any project, and delays can have serious consequences. Therefore, they have a well-established logistics system in place to ensure that their customers receive their orders within the stipulated time frame. The city of Faridabad offers a variety of possibilities when it comes to surveying equipment and its accessories. In the city, there are a number of retailers who focus on offering survey instrument accessories to satisfy the requirements of experts in various sectors. The well-known company in the surveying sector Scon Design is one such dealer. In the city of Faridabad, Scon Design has made a name for itself as a dependable and trustworthy supplier of survey equipment accessories. Scon Design provides a wide selection of survey equipment accessories to meet the various needs of its clients. Scon Design offers every accessory you might possibly need, including tripods, leveling rods, prism poles, DGPSantenna mounts, and more. The business is aware of the value of premium accessories in guaranteeing precise and accurate measurements throughout surveys. Since they adhere to strict quality requirements, they only purchase their goods from reputable producers. Scon Design's dedication to customer satisfaction is responsible for its success. The business values giving each of its clients individualized service. They recognize that each project has particular requirements, and they work to satisfy those goals by providing tailored solutions.